Hello, currently I'm in communist bunker built by communist leader Enver Hoxha. This bunker is in Tirana, city of Albania. This intercommunication museum and some of the original devices used over the years by Albanian army. This room shows the border area, electrical signaling barrier, cloud strip and rules of opening fire at the border. This is the communication between two communist leaders on the border killing. This room tells the information about aftermath of the war and the peace agreement. The Albanians suffered severe consequences of Italian and German invasion in terms of human loss. During 5 years of World War II, Albanians suffered great losses. A large number of Albanians have suffered their sentences in prison in concentration camps built by Italian, German invaders. Burned villages, destroyed roads, bridges, paralyzed economy. National Bank was left without a gold reserve. Also damaged cultural heritage, especially Italian invaders taken a number of archaeological and ethnographic objects. This is the Skanderberg monument. Skanderberg was the soldier in the history, and there's a monument in the Tirana center square. The vehicle you see in this room has been for many years a symbol of the Albanian army. This relation between China and Albania, since the early 60s until 1978, China was the closest ally of the Albanian communist government, especially after the break of relation between Tirana and Moscow, and China has become the closest ally to Albania. The chamber bicycle used in this installation is the light roadster, produced in the late 60s by the Forever, one of the largest factories of Chinese bicycle, founded in Shanghai in 1940. The room is officer's room and is equipped according to all standards of an officer in service within the bunker. The uniform, the furniture and all military equipments are original. Albania and the dictator's obsession for chemical weapons. Albania was one of the countries that in the Cold War period possessed chemical weapons. Dictator Enver Hoxha was obsessed with a suspected attack, first by American and then by Soviet. So besides providing many weapons and bunkering the whole country, making sure that most of the important bunkers were able to face chemical and atomic attacks, train the entire population for self-defense. This is a huge place. You need at least few hours to see every corner of this communist bunker. Of general staff room, these setting composed by an anteroom, working room, bedroom and bathroom are meant for the chief of general staff in case of war. The most secret operative meetings would be held here. This explains the reason why these surroundings are protected along the corridor with an extra entrance door. The door in front looks like to me another exit door out of this bunker. Emergency exit on the 4th floor. This bunker is composed by 5 levels. Each one is equipped with emergency exits, which serves also as emergency entrances. All exits are protected by 2 concrete gates to deter the explosion effect and triple airlocked steel gates to avoid chemical or nuclear substances enter inside the bunker. This is a second emergency exit of the 4th level, which composed by 35 rooms. Together with the first level is the most dense one in the whole bunker, is equipped by 2 security exits. This bunker is for Prime Minister Mehmet Shehu. In the initial project, these rooms were reserved to the Prime Minister. During the construction of the bunker 72 to 78, Mehmet Shehu was Prime Minister and he personally supervised the construction of the whole structure as being also Minister of Defense. This shelter, composed of an anteroom for the secretary, the office bedroom and the bathroom, is the second most luxurious place in the whole structure. It is just few meters smaller compared to the Enver Hoxha room. While in Enver Hoxha room the walls have the expensive fiber, here the walls have wooden layers. Is another emergency exit or emergency entrance. The bunker is composed by 5 levels and each one is equipped with emergency exits. Room. The heart of ventilation system is in these rooms. It aims to prevent poisonous produces by a chemical or nuclear explosion reach inside the bunker and kill whoever was inside. The chemical filters inside the ventilation plant are Chinese production. In case of chemical alarm, the military personnel in charge of these rooms would come immediately and divert the air inside the filters. To find out more, please see the next part.